Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that developers may encounter when working with GPUs and CPUs. The issue at hand revolves around whether it is safe for the CPU to read from a buffer, while the same buffer is being utilized by the GPU for a transfer operation using VKCMB copy buffer. It's a tricky problem, because while the GPU is performing its copy operation, the CPU also wants to access the buffer. But is it safe to do so? Let's find out. In terms of a solution, the Vulkan memory model comes into play. The key point to remember is that synchronization is crucial to ensure the availability, visibility, and memory domain of write operations. However, when it comes to read operations, such as reading from a buffer that is also being used by the GPU for a transfer operation, explicit synchronization may not be necessary. As long as the write operations have made sure that the data is available and visible to both the host and the GPU. The CPU read operation should not interfere with the GPU's copy operation. In summary, when it comes to reading from a buffer while the GPU is using it for a transfer operation, the Vulkan memory model dictates that as long as the necessary synchronization has been taken care of for write operations, there should be no issue with simultaneous read operations. So, feel free to access that buffer from the CPU while the GPU is doing its thing. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!